Hello and welcome to the Coffeedirect kitchen. Today we'll be taking you through what makes a perfect espresso coffee. Espresso is an Italian word meaning forced, which comes from this brewing method where very hot water is forced under pressure through finely ground coffee. Espresso is often made by a machine that holds the coffee while the water is heated and forced through the beans, creating a thick, syrupy coffee. To make an espresso, the easiest option is to seek out a domestic espresso machine which uses manual or electric power to force the hot water through your ground beans. Your beans should be ground very fine, just like our own espresso style available at Coffeedirect. You'll need 2 generous tablespoons of ground coffee for 1 shot of espresso. With some coffee machines, you will need to pack down or tamp the coffee to form a dense disc of ground coffee which the hot water will pass through. Espresso coffee is almost always served as a small drink of very strong coffee using only an ounce of water. The best espressos have a thin layer of dense foam on top of the oil-black viscous liquid known as the crema. You can usually achieve an excellent crema by making sure you don't over-tamp the ground coffee into your machine, which ensures there's enough space for the hot water to pass through at the perfect rate. If your first pass with the espresso leaves you with a watery or weak brew, you can repeat the process 2 or 3 times to extract even more coffee from your ground beans. We really hope you've enjoyed learning about making espresso coffee. Be sure to check out our full range of delicious coffees at coffee-direct.co.uk and click on subscribe to be kept up to date on all of our coffee content.